Thank you so much, our evangelist, for this move. Bwana asifiwe. God is good. I'm having some cold and a headache, but God is good. I'm so happy for this day. What we shall do is I'll go there, then we come back. My visitors will bring me in, and then where is the church one, and then right here, and the others will receive us here, so that they will be received. Now I have friends who have come to bring me here. From here we have Nancy from Kinoo. She's a good friend of ours, and you see the congregation. Thank you so much. We have my dear sister Wadia. Wadia comes from all the way from Kenya. We have gone a long way with her for so many issues. She's a known friend. She's working with the forces. Karibu sana. We have my dear sister here, another friend of mine from the metro. Thank you so much. We have our preacher, we have known her. This is my wife. Can you say hi to congregation?
My name is Carol na nimeokoka. Nimefurahi sana siku ya leo.
Asante sana. I have my brother who has come to join us from Githunguri. You say hi to you. He's my elder brother. I'm the youngest.
Good morning. Good morning again. My name is Paul Kimani. I love Jesus. I have traveled all the way from Githunguri to come and join my brother and his wife and family possibly. I'm grateful to be here, and may God bless you all.
Thank you. Now I think you can proceed there with my friends. Then we are going to enter.
Nilifurahi waliponiambia